In this video, I'll show you how to set up BookMe packages for your clients. With BookMe, not only can your clients easily book your photography services, but you can also offer them exclusive packages of print products and digital downloads. These packages complement the client's booked service, making their experience with you even more special. From a higher-up view, here's how it all works. Once a client books through BookMe and completes the payment for your services, they then become eligible to redeem the included package products. These products can be a delightful selection of prints and digital downloads that they can cherish forever. Imagine the joy your clients will experience when they get to see and relive their precious moments through these fantastic products. So let's dive right in and learn how to create these amazing packages for your clients. As a side note, before we get started, you'll need to have a price list set up already. To get started, from your dashboard, click on the selling icon in the left-hand side toolbar. Next, click on the price list tab. Here, you'll want to expand your price list and click Edit next to the price list that you'd like to add the package to. When you initially create a price list and ask it to populate products for you, it will include some default packages. Alternatively, if you set up your own packages before, they'll be shown on this price list here at the very top. For this guide though, we'll want to click on BookMe Packages. Then we'll want to click on this icon to add a new BookMe package. Give the package a name, keep the package type as BookMe Package, and then click on Add Products to select which products you'd like to include in this specific package. First, you'll need to select the type of product that you'd like to add, and then you'll want to choose the specific sizes of the product and the paper type if applicable. You can also choose additional options here if they're available for the product selected. Click Add once you've chosen your options. If you'd like to add different sizes of the same product to your package, you can click Add between each product to add them all to the package individually. When you're done selecting the products that you'd like to add to the package, click Add and Close to add the selected products and close that product type. Or you can click on the X in the top right corner to close without adding any products. After closing out of the product selection, you can change the amount of products that are included in the package by changing the quantity type field. Last, you'll want to set the selling price for your package. The package value is automatically calculated by our system based on the products that you've added into your package. The package value is used to calculate the savings that your client will see when they choose the package. The package value minus the selling price equals the savings that your client will see. Once you're all set, click Save. And once you're done adding all of your packages, click the orange Save button in the lower left-hand corner of your price list. Once you're done setting up your packages for BookMe, you can then add them to your specific services in BookMe as well to offer them to your clients. To get started with that, click Booking in the left toolbar. Next, click the Services tab. Then you'll want to click the Edit button next to the service that you'd like to add the package to. Once you've opened the service settings, scroll down to the Package section and click on Choose Package. In the Choose Package pop-up window, first select the price list that contains your BookMe package from the drop-down menu. A list of the packages that are available to be attached to BookMe services will populate in this list. Select the package that you'd like to use and then click Continue. You'll see that the package has been added to the service. After adding the package, do make sure that your payment method and your payment schedule have been properly picked, or else you won't be able to save this service. Once you've configured your options and added your package, click the orange Save button in the lower left-hand corner to save your changes. Once the photo session is complete and you've uploaded the photos to that client's gallery, you'll want to make sure that the client's booking is connected to their gallery and then invite them to view it. When they view the gallery, they'll be able to redeem the products that were purchased in the BookMe package previously at the time of checkout. A normal workflow process for this would look like this. First, head to your gallery section in your account by clicking Galleries in the left-hand toolbar. Next, if you set your service up so that it would automatically create a gallery for the client once the booking was complete, your gallery should be here in this list. If not, or if your gallery wasn't automatically created for you, you're going to first want to create a new gallery. Next, we'll want to open the gallery with the photos in it by clicking on it, and then click the Settings tab. Next, we'll want to make sure that we're on the Access tab. In the Access tab, under the Client's Booking section, make sure that your booking has been chosen. Please note that a booking can only be assigned to one gallery at a time, and if you don't see a booking available to connect, it may already be connected to another gallery. Once you connect the booking to the gallery, it will automatically populate the client's list below with the name and email address of your client so that you can prepare to send them their gallery. After making sure that the correct booking is connected to the gallery, click on the Share button in the upper right-hand corner and send an invite to your client. When the client receives the email to view their gallery and clicks on the link, they'll see a prompt to redeem their package of products if they fully paid for their package. please note that they must fully pay for their package first before the option will become available to them here. If the client still owes any amount on their booking, you'll first need to collect that remaining balance or mark their booking as paid manually if they've completed payment outside of BookMe. When the client redeems their package, they'll only need to select the images to use with the products because the products have already technically been chosen by you. No additional amount will need to be paid unless they've added additional products to their shopping cart to purchase. As a final note, for users that are selling product packages through their BookMe service, there is a commerce fee which is calculated on the package order subtotal, excluding tax and shipping, and a payment processing fee which is calculated on the package order total, including tax and shipping. The photographer will keep the remaining profit from the package sold minus any product cost for either print product or digital product delivery. Additionally, if an order is discounted during approval after being placed, Stripe will charge an additional fee of the discount amount of 1% for US dollar transactions and 2.9% for non-US dollar transactions. This additional payment processing fee from Stripe will be seen on Stripe's end of the reported payment. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.